Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a blouse with a measurement. Okay. Um, the following measurement you need to cut the back side of the blouse would be the length, armhole, chest and the shoulder. Okay, now let's get started. First mark the length of the blouse. That's going to be 16 inches. First level. So the length of the blouse actually is 15.5, half an inch for seaming. So the full length of the blouse is going to be the 16 inches. Okay. So the armhole would be 6 inches, and before that the neckline is 6 inches. That's the shoulder is 6 inches from here. Mark 6. And the neck would be 3 inches from here. 3. Okay. So this is the full length of the shoulder. From here 3 inches is going to be the neckline, and place the tape on that and mark 6 inches. This is going to be the armhole, and from here it's going to be the same 6 inches. Mark a straight line. And from here, from down, we have to mark 9 inches. And the chest is going to be 40 inches. Chest is going to be the 40 inches and plus 4 inches for the seam for loose, and so the total is going to be 44. 44 divided by 4 is going to be the 11 inches. So place the tape over here and mark 11 inches from here. Okay. So the bottom you're going to keep 9 inches. So after placing 9 inches, you have to just join this line to this line. Okay. And 1 inch, 1.5 inch for seaming. One and a half inch for seaming, and also 2 inches from here for sleeve, for the armhole, I'm sorry, from here 2 inches. And neckline depth depend upon how deep you keep the neckline. For the blouse, normally we keep 9 inches. It depends upon you how deeper the neckline you need. So today I'm going to keep 9 inches. So just draw a straight line. Same like that. Connect this line. So this is going to be the back side of the blouse. First we cut this out. Okay. this is going to be the back side of the blouse. After cutting out the back side, you have to cut the sleeves. So take the material like this and fold it into half. Okay. For the sleeves, the full length of the sleeves is going to be 9 inches, and for seaming you're going to give 9.5. So just give a marking at 9.5. So the actual measurement is going to be 9, and for the stitch you're going to give half, so 9.5. Just mark a straight line. So this much of fabric you're going to fold inside and draw a straight line over here. Okay. From here, give 2.5 inches. Okay, and draw a curve connecting this line to this line. Okay, and you need a piece of extension over here. So I'm running out of fabric. You have to give a piece of extension over here. You have enough material, you can cut it out, or else you have to give an extension. So now I'm just cutting out the fabric what I'm having. While sewing, I give that extension to my sleeves, so don't forget that. So now our sleeves and the front piece is ready. So after cutting the back piece and the sleeves, the third measurement is going to be the front piece. Take your back piece and place on the fabric something like this, and trace the same pattern on the leftover fabric. Okay. Okay. After tracing the back piece, so the first thing you have to do is you have to take little bit out of the armhole. So just take it out a ½ inch or a ¼ inch out of this, very little amount, something goes like this. Okay, after that take your tape and take 6 inches from the neckline. From keeping the tape over there, and take 6 inches from the top and give a marking, and take 1 inch. This is a very important measurement in the blouse. Take 1 inch from the shoulder, and then just mark 1 inch from there, and keep your tape over there and mark 15 inches from the top. See, this is going to be the 15 inches, and this is going to be 3 inches. Just place the tape over here and then mark 3 inches. Okay. And the full length of the dart is going to be 3 inches. And the length of the dart is going to be 3 inches. So this is going to be 3 inches, and the full length is going to be 3 inches. So when you keep the tape over 3, mark on 1.5. The half of the 3 is going to be 1.5. So just draw a straight line. So this is the dot number 1. Okay, and just keep the scale over here like this, and at the point of the dart to this end, just mark 5 inch of the length. Okay, this is going to be the second dart. This is going to be dart number 1, and this is going to be dart number 2, and exactly straight to this line just draw a dart of 2 inches. See, this is going to be dart of 2 inches, and this is going to be the dart of 5 inches, and this is going to be the dart of 3 inches, and the length is going to be 3 inches. So these are all the darts. Okay. A small dart, and now you're going to connect this point till this point. Just a little bit slanting, and also the length is going to be it should be something slanting like this. So this length should be equal to this length. This length is 6 inches, so the same is going to be 6 inches over here. This should be like a boat shape, like a curved edge. So just mark a 6 inch and connect this line to this, and from here to here. And now I'm going to cut this out. And another marking is, when we're copying out the back piece, we have drawn a slanting line. Now we are going to straight this line. Okay, and connect it. Because we are going to do we are marking a dot, so we need enough fabric to stitch. So now we are going to do a straight line, and then just check it out. It's going to be 6 inches, and cut the same. Comparing to the back piece, the front piece armhole should be a 1/4 inch deeper than the back piece. The shoulder measurement, the neckline is everything same. Okay. See, this is going to be the front piece. So the back piece is 11 inches, but our front piece is 6 inches. So you need a 4 inches extension. See, our front piece is 6 inches. To make it 11 inches, you need at least 5 inches of extension. That is going to be your putty for your blouse. So that 5 inches is going to be the putty. So this is how it's going to come out. So I show you how to do. So the putty is going to be 5 inches. 5 inches is plus seaming. 5 inches is nothing but, it should be 4 inches plus 1 inch for seaming. It's going to be 5 inches. And the length you have to mark it for 11 inches. So the length of the putty is going to be 11 inches. And from here, you're going to mark 4 inches. So the putty is going to come something like a curved line. Okay. This is going to be your putty, and this is going to be the blouse. So when you measure all together, you will get 11 inch out of this. So if you think if you're running out of fabric over this piece, you can give an extension to make that. So when I measure this together, I will get 11 inches. See? In total I'm getting 11 inches so that it matches to my back piece. So this is how you have to cut a blouse, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.